everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angie Caney and this is my channel, Tink's Treasures. And so I am back from a vacation, a week long. And before I left, I did not tidy up my space at all. So I am back ready to make some projects, and I just need to get in here and tidy up my space. So I thought I'd let you follow along as I clean up and put away. So if you enjoy a good cleaning video, this is going to be for you. So the space really isn't that bad, but I have, stuff on my floor, garbage that needs to go out, my desk that needs cleared off, and just things picked up and put away. I tend to stack things just because our space here is so small, and I just pile things after a while. And I do have this like little organizer here that I need to go through and put my scraps away and just clean up and get ready so I can create a couple new projects. So I'm going to put you back on the tripod and I will get things going. Like this cute little cart, he goes under my desk when he's not in use. So just things like that. Okay, so let's take a look now that we are all nice and fresh and tidy. So I have everything put away. I cleaned out my little organizer there, sorted all my scraps, and put all of my items away that were left out on my desk. I lit this nice candle. I'm waiting for the weather to cool off. So this is my inspiration here, the candle, because it's been so stinking hot here in Phoenix. And I know we have another month or more to go of heat, but this is going to kind of get me in the mood for fall. So I also bought some fall theme paper. I hope to be doing some crafts with that coming up shortly. And I just enjoy having a nice, clean space. So I hope you got some inspiration to go clean up, tidy up your space. And if you happen to be new here, go ahead and give me a like and a subscribe if you don't mind. I am working on my channel. I hope to get to 2,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I'm about 1560. So I always like to say it is free for you to do, but priceless to me. So until next time, happy crafting. Bye.